Hello, what's up YouTube? Good to see you. Super quick one today because, you know, I'm a busy man. Today I'm going to show you how to do this.
Sesame Street.
This is super pish and easy. If you've got Photoshop and you've never used it and you're like, oh, I'd really like to use Photoshop, then this is going to be a great way to start using Photoshop and you're going to make some art. So yeah, let's go. All you're going to need are the coordinates to an internet web explorer and the website Brush Easy, not E-A-S-Y, but Easy, E-E-Z-Y, easy like Sunday morning. Stand by, watch this video, have Brush Easy at the ready, and download the brushes as you go, and you're going to see really how easy it is to make #art. Right, here we go, we're in Photoshop. You start by getting a photo of the Cookie Monster. Drop them in here. Make them a bit bigger. Okay, that's Ahhhhht Darling. Cool. Press W on your keyboard and press Select Subject. This is going to do a pretty shoddy job. Continue having W and just cut the rest of them out. Come on here, mask. Cool, you've got your Cookie Monster chopped out. Next thing, come down here, create a solid colour of black. Clip that to your Cookie Monster. There you go. Get both of these, hit Command E. Now you've got a black filled in Cookie Monster. Next thing, you're going to want to go create 4 solid colours of a green orientation, but you want them going from dark to light. Here's how you do that. Pick a green, make it dark. Okay. Solid colour again. Pick another green, make it a bit lighter. Solid colour again. Another green. You guessed it, folks. We're making this one even lighter still. And then another green. I'll make that one quite light. Select all of them, clip them one by one by holding Option and clicking the line in between the layers. And you're going to clip it to the layer below. Now, select all of them, right click, hit rasterize layers, come to your top one, press M and draw a little rectangle. Right click, select inverse and delete. Come down to the next one and repeat this process until you have 4 bands of green colour. Now select all of these and hit Command E. Come up to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and then blur them quite a lot. So now it's a nice gradient. Look at that, lovely. Now create a new layer, we're going to make a moon. Press B on your keyboard for brush and select a hard, round brush. Make it pretty big, make the colour sort of a light yellow, and then slap that in the middle. Look at that. Now, hit E on your keyboard to create an eraser. Make sure the hardness of this is at 0, and then just start painting away a little section of your moon. Look at that! Isn't that amazing? Now we're going to create some birds. Go on to Brush Easy and look for a bird brush. It really is that f***ing simple. Create a new layer, so we're now above. We're going to name this one Moon. Name this one Birds. And on birds, same colour as the moon. Bang. Start painting them in, change the size of them, change the rotation of them. Look at that. Same thing again, we're going to do some clouds. You guess where you're going. You're going to brusheasy.com. New layer, clouds, start painting clouds on. Love it. Cool, now we're going to make some trees. Trees. You guessed it, you're getting good now. Brush Easy, download some trees. New layer for the trees. Make sure they're sort of uneven. Duplicate your trees. Tree. Go to Effects and Color Overlay. Make that white, and then drop the opacity quite a bit so it looks like they're further away. Now, new layer, we're going to call this Haze. Simply soft round brush to the colour of white. Bring the flow down to like 12% or something like that. There you go. There's a nice little layer of haze. We're now going to do a texture layer. So, new layer. Back into Brush Easy. This is getting a bit silly now. And search for a rock texture brush. Pick one you like, and then slap it on. Now, final thing, we're going to add Kermit the Frog in, obviously. New layer. L on your keyboard, make sure you have the lasso tool selected. Draw a little rock here. Solid colour. Black. Bosh. Now, drop Kermit in. W. Select subject. Chop him out. Mask. Solid colour. Black. clip it to Kermit. There's Kermit. We can do some more trees in the foreground. New layer. Foreground trees. Back to your tree brush. Make this colour black. And there you bloody go. You can add a little background colour maybe. Maybe a nice pink. And yeah, look at that. You've got a nice mountainous scene with Kermit the Frog in it and some birds. And you're inside the Cookie Monster. Where did this come from? I don't have a clue. But you saw how easy it was. Download a bunch of brushes and pretend you're an artist. Thanks very much for joining us on this one. I'll see you in the next video.